here in Foui. This is the Malai Umutangata. This is hundreds of year old trees. Look at the size of these trees. They've been here, must have been hundreds of years. But I'm gonna come take a walk through here and see if I see any names that are familiar to me, to my wife's family, the Sacones, Mataeles, and on and on. Shavita Tonga Fifita. His maka broke. It's the only name I recognize is Fifita. Go take a walk over here. Looks like fish or something. Yeah, not gonna mess with people's stuff. This is an old unknown. They don't even have a name on it. But we're here at Foui, in Foui. Well, hopefully somebody recognizes this. Umutangata Malai here in Tonga. Across the street from the Love Istaki to Bethany. Let's take a quick look at what's all here. Going up to here. All right, you guys have a great day. I'm just gonna record one more time, get up close, do a 4-minute video, and I'll be out of here. Taking a look at this big tree right here. It's huge. Pine trees. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trunks coming out of one section. So Umutangata Cemetery. Have a good day.